Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just scroll down and download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone, and once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on next. Now just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on select apps and tap on all. Now once you have done that, now just go back and tap on notification access. Now from here, just enable the toggle for dynamic spot. Now just tap on allow. Now once you do that, just tap on draw on screen. Now from here, just tap on allow. Now just tap on draw on screen one more time. Now just tap on next. Now from here, just tap on installed apps and tap on dynamic spot. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now just tap on allow. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. From here, just tap on this X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on this play button. Now from here, just tap on allow. Now just tap on this play button one more time. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Dynamic Island on our smartphone. Now from here, just tap on appearance and enable show as notch. Now if you tap on this play button one more time, now as you can see, the Dynamic Island is now appearing as a notch on our smartphone. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, now as you can see, this is how you can install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.